Welcome, today in front of me HUAWEI P50 Pro, and I'll show you how to mute ringtone on this device. So first you should go into the settings and then tap here on the sounds and vibration. As can you see here, we got the ringtone messages and notifications volume panel, and just to mute your ringtone you can swipe this white dot to the left side with your finger. But by this way you will mute not only your ringtones but also your messages and notifications. So I suggest you to use another way. You just should go here to the phone ringtone section, and here if you use only one from the sims, just you should switch your currently ringtone just to the noun, and by this way you can mute your ringtone and stay with your messages and notifications sound. So that's it, that's how it looks. Thank you guys for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.